research is a systematic and scientific investigation of information about different domains of physical and human geography, its applicability using different tools and techniques. M. Stephenson and Selinger define geographical research or research in the Encyclopedia of Social Science as the manipulation of things, concepts or symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extend, correct or verify knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in construction of theory or practice of an art. Next, according to American sociologist R. Robert Beebe, he defined geographical research that research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict and control observed phenomena. Research involves inductive and deductive methods also. Research is used to describe a number of similar and overlapping activities relating a search for information. It is something that people undertake in order to find things out in a systematic way, thereby increasing their knowledge. According to Kothari, endeavor of any research is to uncover the concealed reality that is yet to be exposed or revealed. However, research is constantly used to solve organizational problems through the systematic strategies. Research is for solve the problem and mitigate the problem. Now, I am going to give some overview regarding geographical research. Research is the investigation of an idea, subject or topic for a purpose, particularly according to a particular purpose. It's enabled the researcher to extend knowledge or explore theory. It's offered the opportunity to investigate an area of interest from a particular perspective. Geographical research is associated with the methods that is used to obtain information from a variety of sources. It is also associated with the investigation and discovery. An opportunity to investigate a theory that requires further interpretation and greater understanding. A rigorous inquiry about an area which is of interest for the various reasons, that is, it may be an area about a little is known or an area which is causing concern. Geographical research is also associated with the discovery, find out, study, looking in depth, investigation, research, new idea and conclusions. The term research is for us a way of describing a systematic investigation of a phenomena or area of activity. It can sometimes be accurately measured scientifically or data collected can be analyzed and compared to identify trends and similarities or differences. Now, the character of geographical research or character of research. Research is a systematic approach, need accurate data. Rule and procedure are an integral part of the process that set of objectives. Researcher must follow research ethics and a code of conduct during observation, survey and report writing. Research depends on logical reasoning that may be inductive or may be deductive. The data or information that is extracted through the field from accurate observation in natural phenomena. Proper scientific and logical analysis of data is one of the important characters of geographical research. Research provides a path for generating new questions. Existing data and literature help enhance opportunities for young researchers. Research is analytical in nature. Available data and information can be used for further justification in a research environment. Accurate in an important word in the dictionary of research. Data accuracy is a supreme concern of geographical research as well as normal research. Accuracy can be justified through the instrument and calibration of the instrument and the final result of the experiment. What is the significance of geographical research? Why it is important? Because it is discrete, it is directed towards the solution of a problem. The ultimate goal is to discover cause and effect relationship between social problems. It emphasizes the development of generalizations, principles or theories that will be helpful in predicting future occurrences. It is also based upon the observable experience or empirical evidences. It demands accurate observations and description. Researcher may choose from a variety or non-qualitative description of their observation. It involves gathering new data from primary sources or using existing data for new purpose. Although social research activities may be at a time somewhat random or unsystematic, it is more often characterized by careful design procedure that applies rigorous analysis. It requires expertise. The researcher knows what is already known about a problem and how others have investigated. It strives to objective and logical applying every possible test to validate the procedure employed, data collected and conclusion reached. It involves the quest for answer to unsolved problems. Geographical research is characterized by patient and unhurried activity. Researcher must expect disappointment or discouragement as they pursue the answer to a difficult question. It is carefully recorded and reported. Each important term is defined, limiting factors are recognized, procedures are described in details, references are carefully documented, results are objectively recorded, and conclusions are presented with scholarly cautions and restraint. It is interdisciplinary in nature. It sometimes requires courage, sometimes it requires knowledge. Now the important steps regarding the geographical research. That is the first, that is the formation of the research topic by different literature review. Second one is the hypothesis building or formation of the research question. Third one is the conceptual definition and clarification. Next, the operational definition. Next, the collection of data, that is very important. Next, scientific analysis of data. Next, proper explanation of data and result. Hypothesis testing or answer research question. If you are putting in your research, if you are putting some hypothesis, then you have to test those hypotheses and you have to prove or disprove those hypotheses. Otherwise, you can put some research question also. If you are putting the research question, then you need to answer your all research question in the conclusion or your final result part. Now the conclusion with the recommendation. What is your recommendation regarding your problem and how can you solve it? Then the iteration or if it is required. Now the objectives of geographical research. What are the objectives of geographical research? First one is rethink or review the analysis. Critical review. It may be further research, application of contemporary tools and techniques, bring change, informative and well understandable, to get a qualifications for self-development, development of subject matter, incorporate or introduce a new idea and sub-themes into the subject area, correlation with the other branches of science. Now the types of research. There are mainly, we can categorize in two main parts, that is the main types and other types. So main is descriptive research, analytical research, applied research, fundamental research, quantitative research, qualitative research, conceptual research, empirical research, and other type is longitudinal research, laboratory research, clinical research, historical research, decision oriented research, survey research, correlation research, exploratory research. Now, what is descriptive research? Descriptive research is associated with survey and different fact-finding questions. What are the purpose of descriptive research? Description about the contemporary state of affairs. It is also called ex facto research. In this research, researcher has no control upon the behavior. Researcher acts as a reporter or for the report the past and recent content. Descriptive research mostly using social science and business studies or business research. Now the analytical research. Analytical research has strong abilities in terms of performing sophisticated statistical analysis and interpreting their findings within their respective research contexts. Now, analytical research means carrying out analysis on a phenomenon, mostly involves secondary data, In analytical research, on the other hand, the researcher has to use fact or information already available and analyze this to make a critical evaluation and materials. What is applied research? The objectives of applied research is to find out the scientific solution for an immediate problem, that is the immediate response. Purpose of applied research is closely associated with the solution of specific problem. In applied studies, research objectives are fixed by the salient as a solution to specific problems they are experiencing. Now, the fundamental research. Fundamental research is associated with the generalization and with the formation of a theory. Fundamental studies related to creation of a new knowledge or expansion of the current knowledge without any concern to applicability. Fundamental studies, on the other hand, are usually self-initiated in order to expand the levels of knowledge in certain areas. Next, the quantitative research. Quantitative research. What is quantitative research? These types of research is based on the measurement of quantity. It has some quantity. It has applicability to event that can be shown in context to quantity. Quantitative research is defined as a systematic investigation of phenomena by gathering quantifiable data and performing statistical, mathematical or computational techniques. The next one is the qualitative research. It is concerned with the qualitative phenomena like as phenomena related to quality. Qualitative research is especially important in the behavioral science where the aim is to discover the underlying motivates to human behavior. The aim of qualitative research is to understand the social reality of individuals, groups and cultures as nearly as possible as its participants feel it or like it. Now the conceptual research. What is conceptual research? It is related to some abstract ideas or theories. Conceptual research involves abstract ideas and concepts also. It is popular to use philosopher and thinker to develop a new concept or evaluating existing one that has already published. Conceptual research focuses on the concept or theory that explain or describe the phenomena being studied. Now, the empirical research. What is empirical research? Empirical research is based on the experimentations. Empirical research involves research based on the observation, experiment, verifiable evidences. Empirical research is basically a research that uses empirical evidences. Empirical evidences refers to the evidence verifiable by the observations and experience rather than the theory or pure logic. Now, the geographical research approach. What are the major or broad approach factor or approach arena of the geographical research? One is quantitative approach, another one is the qualitative approach, third one is the inferential approach, next one is the experimental approach, last one is the simulation approach. There are some references, you can go through this for analysis or for further studies about the geographical research and its beginning.